Oh, this is Feisty Cherry Coke. Now that's probably why I can't drink it straight very much. So I'm mixing it with Diet Coke as I go along. And just until just recently, we didn't have a Diet Cherry Cola that I could find. And what I would do is I'd take a regular cherry cola and do the same thing, mix it 50-50 with the Diet Coke, and that worked pretty good. Sticking it in my Contigo cooler, can cooler, drink holder, whatever you want to call it, thermal. So what am I doing? I'm painting Cuprinol. I'm liking this Cuprinol paint. It's good stuff. So I got to take right now, and I got to do a little bit of up in this corner up here, up in the top there. Now, yesterday I didn't use my little roller when I was painting, and I was wasting time by not using it. Today I started using it a little bit because I thought I'd want to brush it in there, and I thought it'd be hard to get into these cracks, into the V's or whatever you want to call them. But that roller seems to just get right in there. It's not the one I wouldn't have chosen that pad first. It came with the kit, and I thought, well, I'll just try it and see what happens. So with this stuff, I'm gonna have to come back and do this. I want to get the big stuff on first, and I'll worry about the little trim bit. So that's the only thing you do is you put some paint on with this stuff, and you come back in a couple minutes and make sure you haven't got any runs. Try to make sure it's on these corners, all these corners. It's already had 2 coats in it, once more. But let's get the mini roller rocking out here for a minute. So, I mean, it just goes right in this crack. Have to come back. And then this way you can press, you know, a big roller, it's too much roller. You got lots of little hand things on this one. So then I'll just take it and go right on the edges, anywhere you need it. And then they say if you're going to do a second coat, which I highly recommend second coat and more, depending on which side the building it's facing, facing the sun, do it within 8 hours, or you have to scratch the next surface. So some of the stuff I did yesterday, so I'll have to scratch the surface. I think you want to end up going like that, don't you? Okay, then down here around this pipe is going to be interesting. I think what I'm going to do is, again, I'm just going to speed on by trying to cut that stuff in right now and get the big surface covered with paint. Or if you can just go like that. Does that do it? Oh, if you do the bottom, you gotta. Oh, the other thing, cardboard and old carpet. I keep forgetting about cardboard, but the carpet, I just started using this. I've had this piece of carpet kicking around, and I've been using it on lots of jobs. It just seems handy to put that old piece of carpet down wherever we're working, and the mess goes on the carpet, and you can clean it up off the carpet. It makes it a lot easier than trying to move plastic sheets or dust cloths. They don't hold up very good. They're not very good for laying on the ground. Actually, now that I think about it, I better have an inside carpet and an outside carpet. One for inside jobs and one for outside jobs. At the moment, it's multi-purpose. So there we go. Just keep painting left to right. You work back into your old paint. So you keep working this way, back that way towards it. And then just lots of sunshine in England today. Oh, it was beautiful blue skies this morning. And then now, not so much, but there's the sun up there. He's burning through those clouds. And then I got American baseball I can listen to today. I got 2 stations. One's the Cincinnati Reds and one's the Giants. First time since I've been in England, I listened to a part of a baseball game yesterday. On the Giants got beat by the Miami Hurricane or some kind of team from Miami. So look, it should be on right now. I should see if it's on. So back to the painting and then try and find a baseball game.